Okay, turn it.
Left.
Whichever way. Okay, stand by. Stop. Look at your automatic pilot. See if it's turned on or off. I think we're finding the electric pump on the automatic pilot.
Okay.
So that would be an electrical control on the dashboard somewhere.
Fine. Okay.
Is it off?
It's on.
Turn it off.
It was off.
It was off?
Yeah.
Try it again.
Try it again. Let me put my hand on it and feel it. Okay, stop turning. Turn it the other way. We want to go find the circuit breaker for the automatic pilot pump. That would be in the navigation station.
Okay. When you said turn it the other way,
Yeah, go ahead and give it a try.
it won't go.
Well, then turn it the way you were.
Okay.
Okay, stand by, stand by. Look on the right-hand side of the steering wheel, see if there's... Turn everything off on the right-hand side of the steering wheel. See if there's a master breaker on the top left.
Are you talking to me?
Yep.
Gas?
Okay, I heard a thunk. Try to turn it again. Turn the steering wheel. Stop. Did you turn off all of the circuit breakers by the steering wheel?
No, not yet. Name?
At the top it should say master. I heard some kind of noise.
Okay.
Okay, try to turn the steering wheel again. Okay, keep going, keep going. Okay, it hit the rudder stopper right there. Let's go back and we'll go the other direction. Okay, turn on all of the 12-volt switches or the 24-volt switches by the steering wheel.
They're all on.
Okay, try to turn the steering wheel again.
You want the autopilot off, right?
No, turn it on again.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's it.
Okay, keep going back and forth a couple of tries.
Okay. The whole way?
All the way. From stopper to stopper.
That's it.
Okay, is the autopilot turned on?
Yes.
Is the dashboard control turned on?
Yes.
We had some kind of freaky thing with the autopilot because the autopilot pump right here was taking control and it wanted to stay in a hard right rudder maneuver. Oh well, we'll figure this out. We'll check with the pros.